Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Aren't you curious to know the exact date, month, and year since you've been using your Facebook account? That's right, because today's topic is how to know your Facebook account created date. So if you want to go back down to your memory lane and figure it out when you created your account, which is probably a long time ago, be with us and let's get started. Oh, wait a minute. Did you subscribe to our channel yet? If not, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new informative video for you. Let's go. To begin with, you just have to open your pre-installed Facebook app. As you open it, just have to click on the three lines at the top right corner. As this page occurs, you just have to scroll and go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Settings. You'll find this page. Just scroll down a bit. Be patient, keep scrolling. As you scroll down, you'll find an option, Access Your Information. Click on that and this page will occur. In this page, you have to find an option with personal information. Oh, there it is. As you see this page, you can see your account creation date with profile information. See more to check all the other required details with it. I'll end the video here. Thank you for being with us and watching the video till the end. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or feedbacks, please mention it in the comment section below and we'll make sure to reply each and every one of you. Thank you.